Mount Tai, often called Taishan, stands tall in eastern China. This majestic peak dominates the Shandong province. For millennia, Taishan has held deep meaning for the Chinese people. It is one of China's 5 sacred mountains, places revered for their spiritual significance. Taishan's towering presence inspires awe. Its slopes rise from the plains, reaching for the sky. The mountain is a sacred site. It is a place where nature and human history intertwine. Mount Taishan became a symbol of power and unity. Chinese emperors made pilgrimages to its summit for centuries. These journeys were acts of great political and religious importance. Emperors climbed Taishan to offer sacrifices to heaven. They prayed for good harvests and the well-being of their people. These imperial visits left their mark on the mountain. Temples and inscriptions stand as testaments to their journeys. Taishan became a place where earthly power met with heavenly mandate. Mount Taishan boasts breathtaking natural beauty. Its slopes are cloaked in lush forests. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, filling the air with their music. The changing seasons paint the mountain in vibrant hues. Spring brings a sea of blossoming flowers. Autumn transforms the leaves into a fiery tapestry of color. The mountain's varied terrain provides habitats for diverse wildlife. Rare birds flit through the trees. Monkeys swing from branches, their calls echoing through the forest. Taishan is a sanctuary for nature's wonders. Time has left its mark on Mount Taishan. Ancient temples and shrines dot its slopes, each with its own story to tell. Stone inscriptions, carved centuries ago, record the thoughts and aspirations of emperors and scholars. These inscriptions are more than just words etched in stone. They offer a glimpse into the past, preserving the voices of generations long gone. These historical treasures make Taishan a living museum. Visitors can walk in the footsteps of emperors. They can marvel at the artistry and craftsmanship of a bygone era. Section 5. Legends, etched in time. Legends and myths have woven themselves into the fabric of Mount Taishan. This sacred mountain, one of the 5 great mountains of China, has been a source of inspiration and awe for countless generations. Its towering peaks and serene landscapes have given rise to numerous stories that continue to captivate the imagination. One tale speaks of the Jade Emperor, ruler of heaven, who is said to have resided on the mountain. The Jade Emperor, a central figure in Chinese mythology, is often depicted as a wise and benevolent ruler, overseeing the heavens and the earth. His association with Mount Taishan elevates the mountain's status, making it a place of pilgrimage and reverence. Another legend tells of a giant who created Taishan with a single swing of his axe. This giant, a symbol of immense strength and power, is said to have carved the mountain from the earth, shaping its majestic peaks and valleys. Such stories highlight the awe-inspiring nature of Taishan, portraying it as a creation of divine or supernatural forces. These stories, passed down through generations, add a layer of magic and wonder to the mountain's allure. They are not just tales of the past, but are woven into the very identity of the people who live in the shadow of Taishan. Each generation adds its own interpretations and embellishments, keeping the legends alive and vibrant. While these tales may be mythical, they reflect the deep reverence that the Chinese people have held for Taishan for centuries. The mountain is not just a physical landmark, but a spiritual one, representing the connection between the heavens and the earth. Pilgrims from all over China and beyond come to Taishan to pay their respects, seeking blessings and inspiration. The legends of Taishan, whether they speak of gods, giants, or otherworldly beings, continue to enrich the cultural tapestry of this magnificent mountain, ensuring that its legacy endures through the ages. Section 6. A Tapestry of Temples. Mount Taishan, one of China's most revered mountains, is a place where history, spirituality, and natural beauty converge. This sacred mountain has been a site of pilgrimage for centuries, drawing emperors, scholars, and common folk alike. Mount Taishan is home to a stunning array of temples, each with its own unique story and architectural style. These temples are not just places of worship. They are living museums that tell the tale of China's rich cultural and religious heritage. These sacred structures, built over centuries, are architectural marvels. The intricate designs, the meticulous craftsmanship, and the sheer scale of these temples are a testament to the devotion and skill of the people who built them. Each temple is a masterpiece, reflecting the artistic and spiritual aspirations of its time. The Dai Temple, nestled at the foot of the mountain, is the largest and most impressive. This grand temple complex, with its intricate wooden buildings and ornate decorations, serves as the gateway to the sacred mountain. It is a place of great historical significance, having been a center of religious and cultural activities for centuries. It served as a resting place for emperors before their ascent. The emperors would come here to pay their respects and seek blessings before undertaking the arduous journey to the summit. The temple's serene atmosphere and majestic architecture provided a fitting backdrop for these royal rituals. Higher up the mountain, the Bixia Temple clings to a cliff face. This temple, dedicated to the goddess of the azure clouds, is a marvel of engineering and devotion. Perched precariously on the mountainside, it offers a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. This temple, dedicated to the goddess of the azure clouds, offers breathtaking views. From here, visitors can gaze out over the vast expanse of the mountain and the valleys below, feeling a sense of awe and reverence for the natural beauty and spiritual significance of the place. Each temple on Taishan is a testament to the enduring power of faith and human ingenuity. These temples, with their rich history and stunning architecture, continue to inspire and captivate visitors from around the world. They are a reminder of the deep spiritual connection that people have with this sacred mountain, and the enduring legacy of the cultures that built them. Section 7. The Ascent to Heaven. The climb to the summit of Mount Taishan is, well, a journey in itself. It's not just about reaching the top, but about the experiences and the sights you encounter along the way. There are two main paths, a challenging hike or a ride on a cable car. The cable car offers a quick and scenic route, giving you a bird's-eye view of the mountain's majestic landscape. Many choose to walk, their steps echoing the footsteps of countless pilgrims before them. Each step taken on these ancient stone steps is a step back in time, connecting with the history and spirituality of the mountain. The ascent is a physical and spiritual experience. As hikers climb higher, they often pause to rest and meditate, finding a deeper connection with themselves and the natural world around them. Along the way, hikers pass through diverse landscapes. The scenery changes with the altitude, from lush forests at the base to rocky outcrops near the summit. They encounter ancient trees, their branches gnarled with age. These trees have stood the test of time, witnessing countless ascents and offering shade and solace to weary travelers. They cross stone bridges over rushing streams. The sound of the water rushing below adds to the serene and tranquil atmosphere of the hike. The journey to the summit is a pilgrimage through nature's grandeur. Reaching the top, hikers are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views, a sense of accomplishment, and a profound connection to the natural and spiritual world. Section 8. World Heritage Treasure. In 1987, UNESCO recognized Mount Taishan as a World Heritage Site. This designation acknowledges the mountain's outstanding universal value. Taishan is a cultural landscape of exceptional significance. It is a place where nature and human history have coexisted for millennia. This recognition underscores the importance of preserving Taishan for future generations. It ensures that this sacred mountain will continue to inspire awe and wonder. Section 9. Taishan in the heart of China. Mount Taishan holds a special place in the hearts of the Chinese people. It is more than just a mountain. It is a symbol of China's rich history, culture, and spiritual beliefs. The mountain's image appears in art, literature, and poetry. It is a source of national pride. Taishan continues to be a place of pilgrimage. People from all walks of life come to pay their respects, to seek solace, and to connect with their heritage. Section 10. A timeless pilgrimage. A journey to Mount Taishan is an unforgettable experience. It is a chance to step back in time, to immerse oneself in nature's embrace, and to witness the enduring power of human belief. Whether climbing its ancient paths or marveling at its sacred temples, visitors are touched by the mountain's majesty. Mount Taishan stands as a timeless testament to the enduring relationship between humanity and the natural world. It is a place where the past speaks to the present and where the human spirit soars.